Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, with morning comments on stock index futures. I always give you the word of the day. And the word of the day is the tone, so you know. What influences the market that should last almost all day? That's where we're coming from with the word of the day. What's dominating the news, the most important thing, highlighting why investors or traders are buying and selling stock index futures. I would have to say the word of the day is going to be two words. China's one, Europe's two. We don't have the results of the EU meeting. It's a two-day meeting, starts today. And we're going to see if they're all on the same page, basically, and if they can deliver on their promises, okay? So stay tuned for that. We'll be talking about that in great detail tomorrow. China came in line. They're not having a hard landing. GDP in China, 7.4, 7.2 in that area. That's kind of decent. Some other stats out of China: industrial production, retail sales, fixed asset investment, all accelerated in September. So we're having a soft landing. They're coming out of it. Remember, a month ago we were concerned that China, and I used the phrase, if China sneezes, the world catches a cold. That was, hey, they might have a hard landing. Their economy might be slowing down significantly to affect global economics. So, have said all that, that's kind of getting pushed to the back burner. We have encouraging news out of China. And obviously the stock index futures in relating economic news has reflected that. We've rallied up. We were near yearly highs. We're around 15% or better appreciation on stock index futures from January 1st. So obviously the bull market lives and breathes. I would have to say, on a technical point of view, we are up to sideways, okay? It's not accelerating to new highs at the moment. We've been in a consolidation area, but now we're at the upper end of the band and trying to break through. News in the United States, initial claims was a disappointment. We were looking for 360. Last week we were around 339. We got 388. That means a lot more people are going to the government and asking for assistance. It's not a good thing for our economy. We have other things coming out. Philadelphia Fed and leading indicators today. That comes out in about 30 minutes. Looking at the technical point of view of the stock index futures, we will concentrate on the S&P December future contract. Like I said, we're in a sideways to up motion, so the bulls are in command. We need to close above 1463. That would be the target. Right now we're around 1452. We're down 5 on the day because of initial claims, not because of China, in my opinion. But have said that, 52 was kind of a minor resistance area. Old resistance, new support, coming back to hold it. If not, then possibly 1432 on the way down would be another support level. And of course, the big kicker, and the one that you really should write down, in my opinion, for chart analysis, would be 1417. A close underneath that would put the bears in control and take the bulls off the table for their cheering. But for right now, I expect a consolidation range trade up and down until we get news from, what's the second word of the day? Europe. And that will be coming out tomorrow. So, as always, you should be calling me. We can talk about anything you want, any markets you want. In fact, let's have a survey. Let's have a question and answer kind of thought. Who likes fundamentals and who likes technical? I'm waiting to hear from you. Remember, always trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for everyone. Please contact me and we'll concentrate on the survey results. Thank you. Good luck. Good trading.